Now in this question they have said they have given you value for x, y and z, and they say that alpha and beta are the complex cube roots. And now we have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to thrice sum of a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now what we will do, first of all, we will try to find sum of x, y and z. So let us find sum of x, y and z. X is a plus b, y is a alpha plus b beta, and z is a beta plus b alpha. Now what we will do, we will collect the terms containing a, like these three terms. So a plus a alpha plus a beta. Then we will collect the terms containing b. So b plus b alpha plus b beta. Now from this group I can take a common, 1 plus alpha plus beta. From this group I can take b common, so it's 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now from here 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now as the question says that alpha and beta are the complex cube roots, so what we can do over here, alpha and beta are the complex cube roots. So what we will do, we will replace alpha by omega and beta by omega square. As you know that omega and omega square, these two are the complex cube roots of unity. So we are going to replace here. So we will get a 1 plus omega square, here b times 1 plus omega square. Now you must be knowing this rule, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So substituting this result over here, a into 0 plus b into 0, so we are getting sum as 0. So what we have shown over here, we have shown that x plus y plus z, sum of these three is equal to 0. Now we know a relation, a condition which says that whenever x plus y plus z is equal to 0, that is sum of three terms is equal to 0, then sum of their cubes is equal to thrice their product. This is the condition. Remember, whenever sum of three terms will be 0, then sum of their cubes will be equal to thrice their product. So here we have shown sum of x, y, z as 0. So we can apply the condition x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Now let us replace the values here. Thrice, in place of x you can put a plus b, in place of y you can replace a alpha plus b beta, and in place of z you will be replacing a beta plus b alpha, because these are the values given to you for x, y and z. Okay, so thrice a plus b, a, now alpha we will replace with omega and beta with omega square, so b omega square, a b. Now let us multiply these terms. Multiply these two brackets. So this will give you a square omega plus ab omega square, then ab omega, and then b square omega square. Now we will multiply by this bracket. Okay. So this will give us thrice. First of all, you will multiply a omega square with this. So this will give you a square, a cube, omega cube. Okay, then this will be multiplied with this term, right? So this will give you plus a square b omega raised to power of 4, and this one will give you a square b omega cube, and this one will give you a b square omega raised to power of 4. After multiplying by this term, now we will multiply with this term b omega. So that will give you a square b omega square, and this one will give you a b square omega cube, and this one will give you a b square omega square, and the last one will give you b cube omega cube. Now let's simplify within this bracket. Now wherever you are finding omega cube, that will be replaced with 1. This will be replaced with 1, this will be replaced with 1, omega cube replaced with 1, omega cube replaced with 1. So let's write these terms. A cube, then from here you are getting plus b cube, then this one has been replaced by 1, so you are getting a square b, this one replaced by 1, so you are getting ab square. Okay, now moving on to the terms which are containing power for omega greater than 3. Now omega raised to power of 4, so I will show you the working here. Omega raised to power of 4 can be written as omega cube into omega, and omega cube is 1. So that means omega raised to power of 4 will be replaced by omega. So let's replace it over here. First of all, for this one, this will give you a square b omega. Now moving on to this one, this will give you ab square omega. This will remain as it is, a square b omega square, and on this one ab square omega square, like this. So this is clear to you. Now this is a cube plus b cube. Okay, now what we will do in this one, we will collect the terms containing a square b. So this is the first term, a square b second term, and then a square b third term. So let's write these terms together, or best is you take common from these three. So you will take a square b common from these three terms. So from here you will be left with 1, from here omega, and from here omega square. Okay, after this we will collect the terms containing ab square, ab square, ab square, ab square. Now from these three we will take ab square common. So let's take ab square common. So from here you will be left with 1, here you will be left with omega, and here omega square, bracket close. So this will give you 3 times a cube plus b cube plus a square b into, now 1 plus omega square. See, 1 plus omega square is 0, so replace it by 0. ab square. 1 plus omega square will be replaced with 0. So this will give you thrice a cube plus b cube. This will become 0, this will become 0. So hence proved. So you were asked to prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to thrice a cube plus b cube.